Okay, so you want this top status bar right here, right? A new start menu that actually works, File Explorer search that's actually fast and finds files instantly, a clipboard history that's actually better than the old one, live system usage shown right here without opening Task Manager, even the background looks clean. And you get this nice media player here to easily play or pause music, so why the wait? Okay, so first, the app you need is called PowerToys. Most of you probably already know what it is and already have it installed. If you do, skip to the timestamp on screen right now. But if you don't, follow along. I'll show you the right way to install it. First, click the first link in the description. You'll land on this GitHub page. Scroll down, click this link right here and save the file wherever you want. Now just wait for it to download. Once that's done, open File Explorer, find the file you downloaded, and install it like any normal .exe file. And boom, PowerToys installed. Now open PowerToys and enable Command Palette. Click its name, then open Settings. This is the Command Palette settings menu. You can change the shortcut to anything you want. I'm setting mine to Alt-Space. And yeah, it works like an app launcher, similar to Flow Launcher, which I normally use, but this one actually matches the Windows 11 style really nicely. But we're here for the dock. That's the main thing. Also, this feature is still in preview, so don't go into the comments saying this doesn't work, fix it. Anyway, enable this, and yeah, you now have a taskbar here. Now you can see system usage here, and clicking it shows full details. You can also change the position anywhere you want. I'll keep mine here. You can switch themes, make it fully transparent, or change background colors to any you like. I'm just setting mine to none for now, as this just works. Now let's check the dock itself. First, we have the search menu. You can search apps or basically anything, and it finds it instantly. Next is the Winget section, where you're supposed to search apps and install them directly. You can also customize widget layout. For example, I can drag the clock into the center and place it nicely here. And you can pin apps directly from Command Palette so they appear permanently in the dock. If you want custom widgets, go into Settings, then open Extensions. You'll see a bunch already available, and if that's not enough, you can download community extensions from the Microsoft Store. For example, I'll install the media widget. Just click it, download, done. After installing, it appears here, and you can pin it wherever you want. I'll place mine in the middle. It's honestly very similar to Fluent Flyout. You can pause music, skip tracks with just a click. You can also enable the clipboard history widget to quickly see everything you copied. Now for styling, go to personalization settings. Here you can change the material style of the search box. If I set transparency to 0, it becomes fully transparent. You can also use acrylic and adjust opacity to get that nice blur effect. There are a lot of options here. I recommend playing around and finding your own setup. I'll just enable animations and keep mine like this. Also, this video was actually suggested by my friend Matrix, so yeah, shout out to him. He's a cool guy, and he has a fluffy cat as his profile picture. So obviously he's cool because cats are fluffy, and the more fluff a cat has, the better the cat. Fluff is fluff, and more fluff, more cat, more fun and cool, so fluffy cars, cats, or whatever, fluff. I don't know what I'm even saying. Anyway, thanks for the suggestion, Matrix. And yeah, that's it for this video. And hey, we're almost 20K subscribers away from 50K, so let's try to hit that before July, because apparently only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed. So yeah, subscribe if you enjoyed. Drink some water, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.